this can't be over. Don't tell me it's over.
Alright, you ready? So it's our Dolly Sods, West Virginia,
No, this can't
and
be
I'm sure
over.
it's quite windy.
Sad baby, please don't tell me it's over. I'm down on my knees, pretending it's fine. And you'll say this life we can't forget has got us nowhere. But I know in time we can forgive and make this whole. Yeah, got what you need. Ooh, got what you need. Don't tell me it's over. Over. Got what you need. Ooh, got what you need. Don't tell me it's over. Over. Got what you need. Got what you need. Got what you need. Oh. Got what you need. Got what you need.
Better than I expected, that's for sure. I mean, it's scenery, you know,
And I still
it's alright. You can hold it, and then you can be in the frame no matter what. Or here, it's just my face is real big in the picture, and yours is
I know
tiny
you're
because of
tired. Tell me it's mine. You'll say this hurt is like a bridge you can't get over. It's faded and worn out. Maybe this is just goodbye. Got what you
field
need.
up here. There's no real scene,
More good camp spots
but
down there.
but
Got what you
you know,
need.
Fits like don't in the river. So nice and little.
Got what you need. Got what you need. Got what you need. What you need.
Just want to get to the top so we can.
Got what
Figure
you
out
need. Got what you need. Don't tell me it's over. Over. Got what you
we're
need.
at we're gonna try to maybe stay at the campsite and check the water. So good first day, first run for this.
Got what you need. Got what you need. Got what you need. Got what you need. Yeah, got what you need. And I told
Record off all that.
before I give you all that I had, that's for sure. So don't come around no more. Add what you need, but not no more.